Hello friends, today I am back with another delicious recipe, prawn pineapple curry. This is a unique prawn curry which you might have experienced, but in my kitchen I will be giving it my secret touch. You can feel the gravy which is very smooth and creamy. It's also having a nice pineapple flavor. Before you go ahead and enjoy the dish, please subscribe to my channel to find all my updates on your wall. Also please comment and share with your friends and family so that all of us can share the joy. So let's get started.
Welcome to Wangship.
For prawn pineapple curry, we need 10 to 12 pieces of prawn, butter, cream and coconut milk. In masala, we need whole garam masala, 4 green chilies, 4 to 5 cashews, methi, red chili powder, garam masala powder, sugar, turmeric powder and salt. Now we'll take the pineapple and just slice the skin off in one section. We will take out all the flesh from inside and use it as our serving bowl. The flesh that we collected, we will make a paste out of it. Our pineapple serving bowl is ready. The next step what we will do is, we will add some of the pineapple puree to our prawns. Add 1 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of sugar and mix it well. We need to keep this aside for 30 minutes. We need 2 medium-sized onions. We will finely chop them. Take 30 grams of ginger and cut them into julienne strips. Take 9 to 10 pieces of garlic cloves and chop them as well. Now in a hot frying pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and once the oil is hot, add 50 grams of butter. Let's add the prawns now. We need to just shallow fry our prawns. Once the prawns are fried, keep them aside for the curry. In that same oil, add little bit of butter. Now let's add our chopped onions to the pan. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add green chilies and whole garam masala. In whole garam masala, I used bay leaves, cardamom, cinnamon, coriander seeds, jaipatri and star anise. Add chopped ginger and garlic. Now add cashews. Sprinkle salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder and sugar. Mix it well. Fry it for 5 minutes in low flame. Our masala is ready. Now put this masala fry into a grinder jar and add some coconut milk. Blend it to make a fine paste. Now strain our masala paste using a strainer. This way we'll get smooth masala paste and all the hot masala particles will be separated. Our smooth masala paste is ready. Now in the same pan add the masala paste. When the paste is boiling, add the rest of the coconut milk to it. Mix it for a while. Once the whole mixture tends to boil, add the fried prawns. Add cheese. Let's cook them for 5 minutes. Now add our rest of the pineapple puree to the gravy. Add some garam masala. Add kasturi methi and butter. Finally, add some fresh cream to it. Our prawn pineapple curry is ready. We'll serve it in the pineapple itself. The look of it, the flavor that comes out of it is so nice. It's really hard to resist. This is a must-try dish at home if you want to try something different with prawns. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, comment and share with your friends and family. If you love being notified about my recipes, please click the subscribe button. I will come back soon with another unique recipe. Till then, take care and stay tuned to my channel. Bye.